In this video, I'll be showing you how to add NGL link to your story post. So once you have the application set up with your Instagram account, you'd need to launch the application and click on copy link. Now, as you can see, the link has been copied, so it is now on my clipboard. So the next step would be to launch Instagram. Now from Instagram, you'd need to add a story. Then you'd need to click on create. Now in create option, you could easily add images here, or you could add videos and so on. But however, you need to tap on the sticker icon. Then you'd need to select the link option and simply paste the link. Now after you've added the link, the next thing to do is to click on done. And as you can see, the link has been added. So you could add it to your story or add it to your close friends. You could even add emojis or arrows pointing to the link. So that is basically how to go about adding the NGL link to your Instagram story. So if this was helpful, please be sure to leave a like on the video. Thank you for watching. Hacker 7